Welcome to Microsoft Office Learning. In this video, we will learn how to apply auto border in your data. And after watching this tutorial, you'll be able to apply auto border in your data efficiently. Let me show you how. So this is mark tracker sheet and it has few columns, name, marks, remarks. So what I would like when I type 2, it should auto apply the border in this row. When I type 3, it should auto apply the border in this row. How can I do this? So I will select all these columns and then from the Home tab, I will go to Conditional Formatting and then I will go to New Rule, click on this one. Another window will pop up. So from here, I will select Use a formula to determine which cell to format. So this one. So what formula I will use? So is equal to, click on this cell reference, and then press F4 two times. Press F4 two times and then go to the format and then go to the border and click on outline, press OK and then press OK again. So now when I type 2, so it will apply the auto border on the rest of the row as well. So 3 is keep applying auto border within my data. So it's quickly and so easy to apply the borders in this way. You don't need to apply the borders manually. Hit the like button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe my channel.